Hello everyone, my name is Reem Al-Harbi and today we will talk about the contents of a first aid kit and each item's use. First aid kit is a good thing to have anywhere, for example, in the car, at home, or at the playground. You will never know when you may have an emergency that will require an immediate action. What is the first aid kit used for? Home first aid kits are usually used for treating these types of minor injuries, such as burns, cuts, scrapes, and stings. Now, I want you to brainstorm items that you think you would find in a first aid kit and write them down in a paper. You will have 5 minutes to complete this activity, so please pause the video for 5 minutes and start brainstorming. This is my first aid kit and I keep it at home. A basic first aid kit may contain first aid guide or instruction booklet. The first aid guide should include the numbers of your doctor, insurance company, ambulance, hospital, police department, and fire department. Plasters in a variety of different sizes and shapes to cover wounds and scrapes. Sterile alcohol wipes. Sterile means that it's free from dirt and germs. Gauze pads for covering and cleaning wounds. Sticky tape, cotton swabs, antibiotic ointment to apply to simple wounds, disposable gloves to protect our hands from infections, and they can be used as ice packs if filled with water and frozen. Instant cold pack for rubbing strained joints or for rubbing on splints. Also, a first aid kit may contain these items: cream or spray to relieve insect bites, thermometer, tweezers, safety pins, and scissors. Now, check your paper and see how many items you have correctly guessed. At the end of our lesson, I will tell you where to find a first aid kit. You can find a first aid kit at pharmacies like CVS, Rite Aid, or Walgreens, or a local Red Cross office. Also, you can ask your parents to make one of your own. If you want to make one, use containers that are roomy, sturdy, easy to carry, and simple to open. Plastic tackle boxes
or container for storing art supplies are ideal because they are lightweight